This is Kate Weatherwise with a weather update concerning the historic storm bringing blizzard conditions to the northern states and severe weather to the Midwest and South over to the East Coast today, March 15th through tomorrow, March 16th, 2026. Taking a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories for the country, you see the center of the country is very colorful with blizzard warnings in the northern states, high wind warnings and watches for the central and southern states, and I am sure later on today we will be seeing those tornado watches popping up as well in the Midwest. When we take a look at what the Storm Prediction Center has here for the probability of tornadoes, the risk is most high in those areas in yellow, encompassing two different areas in the Mid-South and the South. As this storm pushes east for tomorrow, that's Monday, March 16th, we see an enhanced risk and a moderate risk for severe weather reaching from central Maryland all the way down through Virginia and central North Carolina into the northwestern part of South Carolina. That's for tomorrow. So the East Coast, you are going to see some severe weather for Monday, March 16th. We take a look at the dew point map and what it is telling us. It is very similar to last week's severe event. However, the dew points aren't going to be quite as high, but there is that moist, warm, unstable air that is streaming out ahead of this massively strong cold front that's coming through, bringing those blizzard conditions to the northern states. And out ahead of it is going to be severe weather for the likes of southern Illinois into Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, all of those areas and down into the south. Now you see here where that front continues to push over to the East Coast for tomorrow, where we will have severe weather risk higher for the East Coast. It will finally push through about our Tuesday morning. Taking a look at the latest European model, you see that powerful low pressure system that is moving through the upper Midwest, bringing with it blizzard conditions already in place for the northern states, with that severe weather pushing through that line, that very defined line of severe weather that is going to spark off some tornadoes today, as we saw on the Storm Prediction Center map. That will continue to push through for tomorrow for the East Coast and Mid-Atlantic. You will see those thunderstorms with some severe weather perhaps, and perhaps some tornadoes as well on the East Coast, and then snow to the north with perhaps a little bit of mixed precipitation as this cold air comes in behind it. Cold air will be filtering down for your day on Tuesday into the Mid-Atlantic and the South, where it will be unseasonably cold for you guys. Now, I went back to this screen here where we could see that line coming through. This is this afternoon. As soon as severe weather starts to break out, I will be reporting on it today and tomorrow. But for now, this is Kate Weatherwise saying goodbye.